Hello, class. My name is Caleb Durham. Currently live in Kentucky. My hobbies are hunting, fishing, camping, anything outdoors. I thoroughly enjoy it and always have. Currently, I am seeking a bachelor's in professional pilot. My end goal is to become a professional pilot. So there are a lot of things that I'm going to learn throughout my bachelor's degree that are going to build me up and set me up for success for that. My current job is that I am working as a flight instructor and teaching people how to fly. I have my single eye right now, so I'm only able to teach private and commercial. But I hopefully soon will get my instrument rating on my certificate for my flight instructor certificate so that I can actually teach instrument as well. After that, I'd also like to get my multi-engine and just continue to build my ratings and build hours. Um, I'm still a little ways away from being able to talk to any charters or get on with anybody to fly that type of flight, but right now I'm really enjoying the flight instruction portion of being a pilot and look forward to continuing that. After this course, immediately nothing will happen. I still have almost a year left before my bachelor's will be complete, but I will continue to build hours, build certificates and ratings so that when I do complete my bachelor's, hopefully I will have enough hours that will also kind of tag on to that and help my resume look quite well for anybody that I go to apply for. I chose aviation because I've always had a passion for it. I thoroughly enjoy flying, always have. There's something about almost like a freedom of being up in the sky and being able to fly around, especially in a small airplane. The ability to just maneuver and fly and see everything from up there, it's absolutely beautiful and it's different. And I love flying through clouds when I'm flying in IMC conditions, instrument meteorological conditions. For the class goals, I'd like to learn more about the restricted ATP certificate. I would also like to learn about how an airport benefits to a community, as well as the issues and benefits of personal and business aviation. I'd like to learn more about that stuff since I will hopefully be into it. I've looked at the options of trying to maybe start up a flight school, maybe look into, I want to get into charter, and I'd also like to possibly look at getting into UPS. So I feel like this course may offer some good information that will help me with making those decisions. And I look forward to spending the next 8 weeks with y'all.